Here's Leo walking out to 2 feet of snow out here. 1.5 foot, whatever the heck this is. Look at him. Can barely even pull up a squat. It's okay, Leo. Good boy. He's just excited to be out here. Good boy, Leo. Oh. This thing's deep. It's deep, Leo. Oh, did you get your tongue? You got your tongue? Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. What? Oh. What, you want me to grab it? Grab your tongue. Oh, your frozen tongue. Sit. Look at this guy. Sit. Break. Sit. Good down. Oh. Where'd it go? Oh, where'd it go, Leo? It's underneath there. You gotta get it. Yeah.